Here are potential solutions to fix the black screen issue in Dragon's Dogma 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific card. Verify game file integrity. Use Steam's built-in tool to verify the integrity of your game files by right-clicking Dragon's Dogma 2 in your Steam library, selecting Properties, then Local Files, and choosing Verify Integrity of Game Files. Adjust graphics settings, lower resolution, textures, and anti-aliasing settings to reduce system load. Disable overclocking. If applicable, revert CPU or GPU overclocking to stock settings, as overclocking can lead to instability and black screens. Run in administrator mode. Right-click the game's executable file and select Run as Administrator to grant necessary permissions. For console players, PlayStation, disable Variable Refresh Rate, VRR, in PS5 settings under Screen and Video, Video Output, VRR. Xbox, restart the console and ensure system software is up to date. Reinstall the game. As a last resort, reinstall the game to ensure all files are installed correctly. Additional tips. Search for specific error messages online for more tailored troubleshooting steps. Report the issue to developers or platform support for further assistance or future patches. By following these steps, you should be able to address the black screen issue and enjoy playing Dragon's Dogma 2 again.